Have you ever wanted a cookie that's healthy enough to eat for breakfast? Well, today I'm showing you how to make pumpkin cookies that are full of almond flour, coconut flour, honey, and ingredients that I would be good with eating for breakfast. These cookies have canned pumpkin in it, some ground cinnamon, and also some hints of chocolate. So basically all of the flavors that are perfect for fall. Don't forget to subscribe and follow along for even more fall recipes that we have coming up this season. First, we're adding our dry ingredients to a mixing bowl. We'll add 1.5 cups of almond flour along with 1/2 cup of coconut flour. Then you'll need 1.5 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of fine sea salt. Give that a whisk until everything is combined. And now we're gonna add in all of our wet ingredients. We're using 1 cup of canned pumpkin puree, 1/4 cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil that has been melted, along with 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Give this mixture a nice stir until everything is combined. And then it's time to slowly incorporate the dry ingredients with the wet ones. Because we're using almond flour and coconut flour, this recipe is a great option if you're gluten-free. I also enjoy the nice texture that you get from these flours. It gives the cookies a really unique taste. Okay, once everything is combined, you're gonna have a pretty thick dough. At this point, then we're ready to stir in 1/2 cup of chocolate morsels. Mix those until they're evenly combined, and then you'll need to grab your parchment-lined baking sheet along with a 3-table cookie scoop. So grab a scoop of cookie dough and then flatten each ball into a 1/2 inch tall circle using your hands. These cookies don't spread much, so whatever shape they're in now will be the same shape they are once they bake. This recipe should make about 12 cookies, and you can put them close together again because they don't spread. Then we're going to use the remaining 1/4 cup of chocolate morsels and place those on top of the cookies. This gives it a nice presentation once they're baked. Throw the cookie sheet into the oven that should be preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. These cookies will bake for 17 to 20 minutes until the cookies are slightly browned. Then allow them to cool on the baking sheet for about 10 minutes and transfer to a wire rack to completely cool. These cookies will be good stored in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days. I hope that you love them as much as I do. This recipe, along with tips and tricks, will be linked in the description below.